Welcome back to Carton Master. Today I'm going to make something pretty interesting, a combination lockbox. Watch the whole video to see how I make it. First, you need to prepare 20 by 20 centimeters sheets. Cut 2 more pieces of 19 by 6 centimeters. And please add 2 more 20 by 6 centimeters sheets. We'll get sheets like these, and you can change the size to your liking. Now, cut out 3 more circles for me, each with a diameter of 5 centimeters. That's it. Now all you have to do is stick the panels in the right place. Watch me do it. These are 2 panels measuring 19 by 6 centimeters. Please don't stick them together. Now, here are 2 20 by 6 centimeters sheets. One of them already has 3 holes punched in it, spaced 4 - 6 - 6 - 4 cm apart. For these 3 circles, stick some wrapping paper around the edges. Its purpose is once you've finished sticking it on, go get a black pen. Draw lines around the circle, like a clock face. The purpose of white paper is to draw lines like this. After you've finished crossing it out, please write the number for it. Now, find a bamboo skewer, cut it into 3 1.5 centimeter long pieces, and glue them to the center of the 3 circles you just made. If you don't have bamboo skewers, you can use any round, sturdy stick you like. Just make sure it's not too big. Then you plug it into the 3 holes on the box. Try turning it to see if it works. Prepare 3 more circles with a diameter of 5 centimeters and 3 pieces of cardboard 2 centimeters wide and long enough so that when wrapped around the circles, there is a 1 centimeter gap left open, then peel off one side. Stick them together, remembering that the serrated side faces outwards. Sticking them the wrong way won't work. After sticking them on, punch holes in the center of each piece. You can punch the holes first and then stick them on if you prefer. Now put them inside the end and secure them with glue. When securing it, remember to position the gap corresponding to the number you want to use as your password. Let's test it to see if it's working smoothly. Add 3 small circles to the center of the cipher wheel, concealing the glued-on axis and enhancing aesthetics. Now, glue the 18 centimeters long and 2 centimeters wide piece onto the remaining 20 by 20 centimeters piece, 3 centimeters from the edge. This is a partition measuring 19 by 4 centimeters. Keep the sticker 0.2 centimeter away from the lock mechanism to prevent it from getting stuck in the lock's rotating part. Attach the top cover and then simply glue on the hinges like I did. It's as simple as that. We can open and close it easily. Try putting something in, turning the lock, and let's see the result. Now, try turning the dial to the correct number to unlock it. If you found this video helpful, please support me by liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment below. Thank you and see you in the next video.